So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you are facing unable to sign into your account for PlayStation Network, please try again later. Error problem in your Fortnite when you try to opening the Fortnite. So guys, watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end and follow the steps. Now, here is the tutorial. Number 1, close the Epic Games launcher and reconnect your internet connection. Now the second step is then right click the shortcut of Epic Games launcher and choose properties. In the pop-up window, navigate to the shortcut tab, select the target box and press spacebar and add http equal WININET to the end of the target. Now the fifth is then click OK to save the changes. Sixth, after that run Epic Games Launcher as administrator, and at last you have to restart your device. Now with these steps your problem fixed. And if your problem will not fix these methods, so guys, you have to wait for some time till the servers automatically fixed by the Fortnite team. I hope guys you understand what I'm saying. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.